Welcome to the Financial Pro Podcast.
So general insurance, anyone who's starting out, you're focusing on the mortgage, you're doing the mortgage. You should all be doing your protection for your clients because it makes up roughly 60% of your income. But I think the missing piece of the puzzle for so many of you is the general insurance, the buildings and contents. You know, if they're buying freehold, then they need to have their buildings in place. So it's just one of those products that firstly, you just tell your clients you're going to arrange it and you're going to do it. You don't give them the option. Don't worry, we'll take care of all the home insurance. Just tell them right from the outset. And that will make things much, much easier. But just to put some numbers in context for you, which I think it will make it easier for you to understand, because it gives you an opportunity every single year to speak to your client. And that's actually just a good excuse, because more often than not, one of the things I find with many of my mentees and many people in this group, particularly when you're starting out, is you're so hungry for new business. But you forget actually it's easier to maintain relationships with the clients that you've already got, and it's easier to get referrals from the clients that you've already got. So by focusing on the general insurance and actually making the time to contact them every 12 months, you know, a month before they actually move into the property so that you can renew the home insurance and have that discussion, is absolutely key. So let's say that you do one policy every single week at £35 per month. That's going to give you a commission on average of about £105, which is going to give you nearly £5,460 per year. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a couple of family holidays. So one, you're missing out on a massive trick, but also it's that ring fence around everything else. Now, in year two, let's say that 80% of those clients renew, and it's a quick phone call. But that's going to be £4,368. Now add that to the same sale of one per week. You're now talking nearly 10 grand in year two, because you're getting the renewal commissions coming through. Then if you do it again in year three and 80% of your people renew in year three, you're now up to just over £13,000, which is an administrator's wage. You know, a part-time administrator's wage. I've got a PA, very, very experienced. She does from 8:30 through till 4:30, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That would cover her cost. So you can't turn your nose up at doing GI. And equally, it's renewable business. The problem with all of the insurances that you arrange, and also the fact of the mortgage, is all they're doing is we are the lead generator for the bank and for the insurer. The bank contacts your clients 5 or 6 months before their ERC date comes to an end. The insurance companies require you now to log into their portal to download your documentation. I'm constantly logging into my Vitality app and being chucked life insurance, health insurance, critical illness cover. Aviva need you to download and require, and they're constantly putting offers in front of your face. So if you don't keep yourself in these clients' mind, you know, in your client's mind eye every single year, then you're going to lose out. Because with the times that we're in, I don't know about you, but more clients are going for longer term fixed rates because they want that safety, that security. So with them going for longer term fixed rates, you need an excuse to speak to them every year. But having that excuse to speak to them every year, you know, how you doing? You moved into your house a year ago. Everything's still going all right. Your neighbour's okay. Oh, good. That's really good. You know, has anything changed? Oh yeah, we've actually got pregnant. Oh, brilliant news. Well done. Congratulations. Blah, 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 blah. Here's another X amount worth of cover to do that. Well, we should do a bit of a protection review. You know, oh, well, we did your mortgage a year ago. You know, if you're any of your friends or family managed to need any assistance. You need to speak to your existing clients every single year. You need to be maintaining relationships with the one that you've already got. And if that means that you recruit somebody on a part-time basis once or twice a month to come in, you know, costing, let's say, a couple of grand a year to come in and just call your clients, then it's worthwhile having somebody come in and just call all your existing clients and do a quick customer service call to maintain that relationship with them, make sure that they're not going anywhere else, find out how they're getting on. So utilize your GI as the protection ring around every single thing that you've offered to your client to make sure that they don't go anywhere else. It's the safety net, it's the ring fence. It's the one thing that keeps them in contact with you on a consistent and regular basis. So don't underestimate the power of GI and the income that you can earn over the longer term in GI as well.